Morning, Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 4 English literature teacher Miss Anila. And children, you know that we are still continuing with chapter 6, Pluto and Persephone. And this is on page number 45. We have already done it. I'm just doing a recap so that you can understand the rest of the story. There was a goddess Ceres, and she has a very beautiful daughter, and her name was Persephone, and she was very lively. And goddess Ceres was the goddess of growing crops and sunlight, and she was responsible for all the greenery in the area and for the sunlight. So all the people liked him because he was very kind to everyone. And but deep down in the earth there lived a god, and that was called Pluto, the god of the dead. Now one day when Ceres' daughter Persephone was playing with her friends' nymphs, Pluto came in his chariot and just pulled Persephone in his arms, and she shouted and she cried for help, but nobody listened to her. And this god Pluto, the god of the dead, he took Persephone away in his chariot to the kingdom of death and made him his queen. So I have taken the reference from here. Uh, Not so fast, my pretty one, he said. Now, who said these lines to whom? This Pluto is saying to Persephone, because and why is he saying this? Well, this I have given the reference for you. It is from page number 47. Pluto said to Persephone circumstances. When Pluto tried to catch Persephone, all her friends ran away. Persephone was also trying to run at that time. Pluto caught her hand and said these lines because she was very pretty, and then took her to the land of the dead and made Persephone forcibly his queen. So she was not happy, but still she has to go with him. Now, while she was like Pluto was taking Persephone with him, a nymph of the river saw Pluto taking Persephone. So he tried to make the river water rise up, and then at that time, when Persephone saw the god of the nymph, he just told that tell this to his her mother that Pluto has taken him away, and he threw his belt in the river. Now Persephone was the nymph of the river. She knew the nymph was trying to help her, so Persephone told the god of the nymph, a god of the river, that please tell this to her mother. And so she threw this belt in the water, and then the Pluto took him to the kingdom of the dark. Now, when Ceres came home, he started searching her daughter Persephone, but she couldn't find her. So then she was very sad, and she couldn't make the sunrise. Also, she couldn't take care of the crops also, so everything turned dead. There was no sunlight. The people were dying of cold and darkness, and the fields and crops were destroying, so people were dying. People prayed to Ceres, but she was very sad. She didn't listen to anyone. Now, a few days later, when Ceres was standing by a river, she saw that the wave rose up, and she saw the belt of her daughter, and then she picked up the belt, and her eyes filled with tears. Now, come to page number 50. Then water began to come out, and there was a sound speaking. The nymph was speaking, telling about that Persephone is taken by King Pluto, and she has become the queen of Pluto, but she is not happy, and she has become very thin. Uh, Now then, Ceres thought to go to Jupiter. Jupiter was the god, was a very like a big god, a father and king of all the gods. So she thought to take help of King Jupiter and god Jupiter, and because the god Jupiter was very wise and good person. Now, this also reference I have given from page 50. I know where my daughter is. She is a prisoner of the god Pluto. So I have given this reference as a homework. Uh, I know where my daughter is. She is a prisoner of god Pluto. Who said to whom? Ceres said to Jupiter god. Now he's saying, she's saying to Jupiter god that she know that where is the Persephone. These lines Ceres is saying to god Jupiter because she is saying to Jupiter that she knew that where is her daughter. She is in the kingdom of the dead. That she is saying to god Jupiter. So this is the circumstances, and she's saying that my daughter Persephone is a prisoner of the god Pluto in the kingdom of the dead, and she wanted Jupiter to order Pluto to give her child back to her. So Jupiter went to Pluto, called Pluto on the Mount Olympus, and told her to return her daughter. But God Jupiter gave Pluto, said Pluto that if you do not return, I will throw lightning at you. So Pluto went to fetch Persephone. Now, when Ceres saw the Persephone, she saw that Persephone has become very thin and sad, and she tried to greet her, but Jupiter stopped her, and she returned. God Jupiter turned to Persephone and asked her that, "Tell me, did you eat anything from Pluto's kingdom, from the house of death?" And from here the stops the story. We will continue the rest of the part of the story in the next class. Till then you have to read the story, read all the pages from page number 48, 49, and 50, and till here you have to read till page 51, and then you will have to do this reference to the context, and you have to do the other part of the reference of the context also by yourself. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.